Hi guys, myself Malkar from Kopoli. Currently I am pursuing software testing from Prognoz technology. Also I had done Python FullStack development course from this institute. I had great experience with them. The best part is that they are taking online and offline lectures, so we can manage our job and online lecture easily. And I like the teaching where they teach 20% theory and showing 80% programs practically in lectures. And also they give assignment and project, so our concept gets clear. And also staff is very supportive and they encourage us and clear doubts on time. And all Saturday Sunday they are taking soft skill and aptitude lectures. And before 1 month our course get completed, they start our placement process. So if anyone is thinking to build career in IT sector, then I 100% recommend you to join Prognoz Technologies. And I'd like to thank Sanu sir, Jaya ma'am and Monica ma'am for your support and make my career bright. And thanks to Prognoz Technologies to give me an opportunity to share my overall experience. Thank you.